Here's a rich and flavorful black bean soup that will please any crowd. In a stock pot, heat your oil. Add 3/4 of your onion and then the garlic. Fry this until golden brown. Next, add the chilies and heat through until fragrant, about 1 or 2 minutes. Strain the onions, garlic, and chilies from the oil and set the oil aside. Place the fried items into a blender and puree the ingredients, adding as much water as needed to form a smooth paste. Next, heat the flavored oil over moderate heat in the stock pot. Add your chili puree and fry this until it starts to turn darker in color, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the beans and 4 cups of water to the pot with salt to taste and bring this to a boil. Puree the mixture until it's very smooth and serve the soup garnished with the fried tortilla strips, remaining diced onion, cheese, avocado, and cilantro. Enjoy!